In the world of stock trading, it's easy to get overwhelmed and lost in the vast amount of information available. There are free ebooks, paid courses, and unreliable YouTubers, making it difficult to distinguish between good and bad information. Having gone through the same scenario myself, yes, that's me, I found it incredibly frustrating. That's why I'm creating this video, to cut through the nonsense and provide a comprehensive AZ guide on how to start trading stocks as a complete beginner. Now, I won't take the usual YouTuber approach of wrapping everything up and charging $299 for my course. The best part of this series is that it's completely free real estate. After trading for around 8 years, I can confidently say there's a lot of information to sift through. My goal is to present that information in a simple and efficient manner, allowing you to grasp as much as possible in the shortest amount of time. There's one particular question I get asked almost every day by new traders in my comment section. Trader after trader, they ask the same exact question: how much money do I need to start trading? Well, my answer might surprise you. It's $0. Yes, you heard that right. It's not $100, $1,000, or $10,000. Let me explain. One of the biggest mistakes beginner traders make is diving into the market with their life savings without any prior experience. They see some stock TikTok trader posing in front of a fancy car and think, hey, that looks fun. When inexperienced traders lose all their money, they often end up saying, maybe this isn't for me, and quit without giving stock trading another try. Sadly, this happens to the majority of traders. However, I'm about to share with you how you can completely avoid this scenario and prevent it from happening to you. There are tools called trading simulators or paper trading platforms. These platforms allow you to trade with fake money so you can test things out. You can experiment with different strategies, practice risk management techniques, learn to control your emotions, or even explore different trading styles like shorting. Unfortunately, most new traders skip this crucial step, which is actually the most important step towards becoming a successful trader. That's why I'm emphasizing it as my very first recommendation. There are various trading simulators available, some paid and some free. The one I highly recommend is Webull. It's free to use and has a user-friendly dashboard that isn't confusing and is easy to navigate. So if you're interested in trying out a trading simulator, that's the one I recommend. As a bonus, I believe they offer 12 free shares of stock when you sign up for the first time. I'll leave a link in the video description if you want to try out Webull's trading simulator. No, this video is not sponsored by Webull. I simply recommend them if you don't already have a trading simulator. But Webull, if you happen to be watching this, cough cough. Here's what I suggest. Get on Webull, start paper trading, and treat it as if it were real money. Act as if the fake paper trading money is your actual capital. Put the concepts I'm about to teach you in this video series to the test. But don't stop there. Take it a step further. Record every single trade you make. If it was a losing trade, jot down your analysis of the mistakes you made. Did you become excessively greedy? Did you adjust your stop loss? Did you allow your emotions to overpower you? Did you adhere to your set of rules? Document everything for each and every trade. This way, you can review your errors and promptly rectify them. This will significantly expedite your progress in becoming a better trader. Moreover, remember to record all your winning trades as well. Write down your observations on what you did correctly. This will enable you to refer back to it and attempt to replicate the successful strategies. As a beginner, your primary focus should not be solely on the monetary aspect of trading. Instead, concentrate purely on refining your trading strategy, enhancing it, and absorbing as much knowledge as possible. By following these steps, the monetary gains will naturally follow. This approach will allow you to surpass the learning curve ahead of countless new traders. This tip alone can revolutionize your trading journey. I am genuinely serious. Every novice trader should adopt it. Risk management is crucial in trading. It is important to set limits and be disciplined when operating in the financial markets. Make sure to calculate the appropriate position size in relation to your available capital. Additionally, establish a stop-loss level that protects you from excessive losses. Maintain the discipline to not move that stop-loss level during the trade, as it can lead to undesirable outcomes. Remember that emotional control is essential for making rational decisions and avoiding the temptation to trade impulsively. Understanding market structure and technical analysis are essential elements for success in trading. Learn to interpret candlestick patterns, identify key support and resistance levels, and use relevant technical indicators. Reading and studying charts will help you identify trends, reversal patterns, and market entry and exit opportunities. Dedicate time to analyze different time frames and practice pattern recognition on historical data to enhance your ability to make informed decisions. Do not underestimate the importance of trading psychology. Emotional control is crucial to avoid impulsive decisions and maintain discipline in your strategy. Learn to recognize your emotional biases and manage the stress associated with trading. Patience, objectivity, and confidence in your strategy are key to overcoming emotional obstacles that can affect your results. Consider using emotional management techniques such as meditation or visualization to stay calm and focused during trades. Remember that trading is a continuous process of learning and improvement. Dedicate time to study, practice, and constantly evaluate your trades to keep growing as a trader. That's my initial step on how to commence trading stocks as a complete beginner. I have contemplated creating a video series that covers the entire process of becoming a successful trader, starting from scratch and progressing to advanced concepts. This series will encompass everything: risk management, trading psychology, chart setups, market structure, candlestick patterns, trading strategies, and more. From A to Z, from the beginning to the end, it will provide you with all the essential knowledge required as a beginner trader. If you are interested in this idea and manage to achieve 1,000 likes on this video, I will produce a comprehensive series outlining how to begin learning to trade stocks as a complete beginner.